Here's how to scrape Capterra details of a product with no code knowledge. For this we'll need a Capterra scraper from empty.codes. Link will be in the description. Simply just download it for your browser. Next, press details of a product. As you can see, we extracted the details of this product. To extract more, simply press on a different product. Now head to the settings. Then press on stored data. In here you can find all data you scraped. You can specify some data to delete or move to export. Now to customize this, press on customize. Then press on details of a product. In here you can change the data however you want. So for example, you can uncheck some data. You can also change the order of the data. And also change the name. And also add the criteria to only scrape the products you are looking for. Once you're done, press save. You can also find more features in the add-on section. Now to export this, press add to export list, then press export. You can export it in many different ways. I'll export as HTML. After exporting, here is the data we extracted.